दोस्तों के साथ मिल बैठ के फिर से पुरानी यादें ताज़ा कर रहे हैं. So it's an happy experience and it was a fun film.
Re-releasing with a new version, also releasing at the same time, so you kind of realize that many years have happened, you know.
It's real life humor. It's the humor that comes from real life in the life of real people. वो तकलीफ चश्मे बदूर में करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. हम लोग एक दूसरे को जानते थे.
To begin with, all of us.
As many times as you make films like Chashme Badur, people will enjoy watching them. It's a happy experience. It's like, you know, दोस्तों के साथ मिल बैठ के फिर से पुरानी यादें ताज़ा कर रहे हैं. So it's a happy experience and it was a fun film. It's been kept alive by the cable and the culture that goes with DVDs. So I'm sure people will like it again if they haven't seen it, or even if they've seen it before. So it's going to be fun, and it's going to be more fun because we have David Saab's film coming at the same time. So बिल्कुल.
In a way, it's a new experience. You know, you feel, actually you kind of start to realize that, oh, so much time has passed, and we तो ऐसा लगता है कि we just started out and we were doing all those movies, and now it seems like re-releasing with a new version, also releasing at the same time, so you kind of realize that many years have happened, you know. But I'm excited because I know I have had a glimpse of the new print. I like the look of the new, the corrected print, yeah.
It's real life humor. It's the humor that comes from real life in the life of real people. And generally middle class people. There are no people living in palaces. There are no Mercedes cars in which the heroine hops in and then she flies away, and nothing of the sort. So that is what appeals to people. And genuine emotion is a perennial thing. So as many times as you make films like Chashme Badur, people will enjoy watching them.
I was quite excited when I read the script. I thought, oh, what fun, you know, it'll be, and all the characters seem so real, so down to earth, so, you know, it seemed like everybody was identifying with these characters, the boys and this girl, and she seemed like everybody knows a girl like that, or would like to know a girl like that, and the boys are like so real. All the boys felt that, oh, it's our story, you know, how we think of girls and how we, like, you know, किस तरह से मस्करी करते रहते हैं and trying to grab attention and play foul also, all kinds of masti stuff that was happening in that film. That was the fun part of it. I like that. I like that in the script.
Any actor goes firstly by what he or she sees in the script, and then what he can gauge or she can gauge of the sensibility and the competence of the director. Sai comes out a winner on both counts. The script is fabulous. When she narrates the script to you, as she does every time, you know that she has her heart in the right place and she knows what she's going for. You can't ask for more. At least I didn't think that we were making a film that would last this long and would be as popular as Chashme Badur has been. But we knew that we were making an interesting film, and everybody was completely into what they were doing, which is why a 2-month schedule in Delhi was, you know, went like a flash, because we were all unaware of the number of days we were putting in. We were just completely involved with the work that we were doing.
That time, it was my first film. Wasn't it our first film together?
Oh, together, yes.
Hana?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of had a clue because I'd seen something. I'd seen him in Garm Hawa. And I was in New York at that time, and I joined films only after that. Came down, and I was told that Farooq, and I'd met him earlier at Doordarshan, and then I was told he's going to play the main part. And it was exciting because I knew he's a very fine actor. He's very sensitive, very fine actor.
We had met before we did the film because we had friends in common, as we still do. And so obviously there was a comfort level to begin with, and the comfort levels have only grown because we thereafter worked, largely because of the success of Chashme Badur and several successful films together thereafter. We've been very comfortable doing work with each other, and one has affection and respect for one's colleague. वो तकलीफ चश्मे बदूर में करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. हम लोग एक दूसरे को जानते थे.
To begin with, all of us. Ravi and
We were quite
Rakesh,
happy
me,
to begin with.
Farooq, yeah, everyone.
Sai gets the credit for that because she was very particular in her and very clear in her head about the detailing of the scene, and she had written a brilliant scene. So the two of us had to just translate it into whatever kind of histrionics we did for the screen. But Sai did a brilliant job, and Sai is the person who deserves the credit. Chashme Baddoor is Sai's film primarily, and it is all put together very beautifully by the late Mr. Gul Anand, who offered it to the market and to the audience very, very wisely. So you could see that something special, something new, and something fresh is coming your way. That was really what made the difference.